My dear students, now I am going to give you some numbers. For example, the first number is, can you read the number? Can you read this number?
5249.
Yes, 5249. And you are asked to round up this number to the nearest 1000, nearest 1000. Okay. How can you round up this number to the nearest 1000? ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡು? ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಇದನ್ನು ಹತ್ತಿರದ ಸಾವಿರಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದಾಜು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದರೆ, ಸಮೀಪ ಬೆಲೆ ತಿಳಿಸಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Yes. Now we have to round up this number to the nearest 1000. 1, 10, 100, 1000. 1000 ಗೆ round up ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ what we have to do? To which side? Towards the right side or towards the left side?
Right.
Yes. Look towards the right side. How much is there? 2 is there. ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Check or understand whether it is less than 5 or greater than 5. Is it less than 5 or greater than 5?
Less than.
Yes, it is less than 5. If it is less than 5, what we have to do here to the 1000 place? Yes, if the number present towards the right side of the 1000 place, that means 100 place, the number present in 100 place is less than 5, then we have to write that number present in 1000 place as it is. ಸಾವಿರ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆನ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೆದು towards the right side, how many numbers are there? 3 digits are there. So we have to replace all those 3 digits by
30.
Yes, ಆ 3 ಅಂಕಿಗಳ ಬದಲಾಗಿ 3 ಸೊನ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಹಾಕಲಿ. So 5249. If it is round off to nearest 1000, what we get?
5000.
Yes, ಹೌದು ಮಕ್ಕಳ. 5240, 5000 ಮತ್ತು 6000 ನಡುವೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? It comes in between 5000 and 6000 and it is very nearest to 5000. That means the rules followed to round off the given number to the nearest 10 or nearest 100. The same rule is followed here. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? Yes. 10 ಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ 100 ಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಸಮೀಪ ಬೆಲೆ ತಿಳಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ ನಿಯಮವನ್ನು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ನಿಯಮವನ್ನು ಯಥಾವತ್ತಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಸಮೀಪ ಬೆಲೆ ತಿಳಿಸ್ತೇವೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, one more number is going to give like this. For example, 1620. They are asked you, to all of you, to round up this number to the nearest 1000. ಯಾವ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತೆ? 1000. So first check, first identify which is the 1000 places. 1, 10, 100, 1000. This is the 1000 place. ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ನಾವು ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು?
ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿರೋ ನಂಬರ್ 5
Yes, look towards the number which is present to the right of the 1000 place. That is 100 place. ನೋಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು?
ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ.
ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕಿಂತ?
5.
Yes. Check whether it is confirm whether it is less than 5 or greater than 5. It is less than 5 or greater than 5?
Less than.
Look at the 100 place. Is it less than 5 or greater than 5?
Greater.
Yes, ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿದೆ. It is greater than 5. So what we have to do if it is greater than 5? ಇದು ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು?
One that.
Yes, we have to add to the 1000 place. ಎಷ್ಟನ್ನ? 1. We have to add 1 to the 1000 place. So then it becomes 1 plus 1? 2. And how many digits are present towards its right? 3 digits. So replace all those 3 digits by 3 zeros. ಆ 3 ಅಂಕಿಗಳ ಬದಲಾಗಿ 3 0 ಹಾಕಿ. Very good. For example, one more number is given like this. For example, like this. Round up this number to the nearest 1000. So first check, first identify which is the 1000 places. 1, 10, 100, 1000. This is the 1000 place. ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ನಾನು ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು?
ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ?
Yes, check. It is less than 5 or greater than 5.
ಎರಡು ಅಲ್ಲ
So, ಮತ್ತೆ
ಸಮ
it's equal to 5. It's equal to 5. It is exactly in between. It's exactly 5. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ if it is exactly 5 or
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ
greater than 5, if the number present towards the in 100 place, ಇದರ ಬಲಬದಿಗೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ 100 ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಅಂಕಿ is exactly 100 ಇದೆ 5 ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ 5 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಎರಡೂ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಬಲಪಕ್ಕದ ಅಂಕಿ 5 ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ 5ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ? ಹೌದು, 1 ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ 3 becomes 4 and replace these 3 digits by 3 zeros, not numbers, 3 zeros. Okay, towards this left side, any numbers are there?
No.
ಇದ್ರ ಎಡಬದಿಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಅಂಕಿದಾವ ಇದ್ರೆ
ಹಾಗೆ
ಹಾಗೆ ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, now no number is given like this and you are asked to round off the number to the nearest 1000. Which is the 1000 place? 1, 10, 100, 1000. This is the 1000 place. ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಾವು ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡು?
ಲೆಫ್ಟ್
ಲುಕ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ 1000 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? ಯಾವ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್? 100 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. 1000 ನ ಬಲಪಕ್ಕದ ಅಂಕಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 100 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು?
5 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ.
Yes, is it less than 5 or greater than 5?
Less
It
than.
is less than 5. If it is less than 5, what do we have to do here?
ಹಾಗೆ
ಹೌದು, 1000 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೆದು ಮುಂದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ನೋಡಿ, how many digits are there?
3
Replace all those 3 digits by
3
zeros and the number which is at the left side of the 1000 place. What do we have to do this number?
ಹಾಗೆ
Yes, right, as it is. So its round of number to the nearest 1000 is
24,000.
Yes, we got 24,000. Yes, right. You have given a perfect answer. Yes. Now they are asking you to round off this number to the nearest 1000. 1, 10, 100, 1000. This is the 1000 place. Yes. ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನೀವು ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು?
ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ನಂಬರ್ನ 5
ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. Yes.
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ.
Yes, you are right. Check the number present towards the right side of the 1000 place. That is 100 place. It is less than 5 or greater than 5 ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೋಡಿ, it is less than 5 or greater than 5.
Greater.
If it is greater than 5, what we have to do here? 0 1 add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? 1. So there are 3 digits towards the right of the 1000 place. What do you have to do these 3 digits?
30.
Yes, replace all those 3 digits by 3 zeros and the number present towards the left side is
ಹಾಗೆ
right as it is. So what is this nearest 1000 value?
71,000.
Has 71,000. Yes, you are right. You have given a perfect answer. Now you are asked to round up this number to the nearest 1000. Let's identify which one is 1000 place. 1, 10, 100, 1000. Yes. So you have to round up this number to 1000 place. So what do you have to do? Look towards the right side.
ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ನಂಬರ್ 5 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು.
Yes, is it less than 5 or greater than 5?
Greater.
If it is greater than 5, what do you have to do here?
1
Yes, you have had 1 here. Then 9 becomes 10. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕೂಡಿದ್ರೆ 10 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 10ಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರೀಬೇಕು? 0. And 1 is taken as carry. It should be taken as carry. ದಶಕಾಲು ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ತಗೊಂಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡಲಿ? Add to the number present towards its left side. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 5 becomes
6.
6. And the 3 digits are present towards the right of the thousand place. What you have to do these 3 digits?
3
Yes, replace them with 3 zeros. Already 1 0 ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. In 2 zeros ಬರೋದು ಸರಿಯಾಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ? No. This 0 comes by adding 1 to 1000 place. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಇದು ಒಂದನ್ನ ಕೂಡಿದಾಗ ಬಂದಂತ 0 ಇದು 10 ಆಯ್ತು 10ಕ್ಕೆ 0 ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೆ. ಆ 0 ಇದು. ಇದ್ರದ್ದು 3 ಸೊನ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನ ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. 1 2 3. So what is the round up value to the nearest thousand?
60,000.
Yes, we got how much?
60,000.
60,000. Yes, you are right. And now they are asked to round up this number to the nearest thousand. 1, 10, 100,000. ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಾವು ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು?
ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿರೋದನ್ನ
Yes, look towards the number present to the right of it. Is it less than 5 or greater than 5?
ಸಮ.
Yes, is equal to 5. If the number present towards its right is exactly 5 or greater than 5, ಎರಡೂ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಬಲ ಪಕ್ಕದ ಅಂಕೆ 5 ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ 5ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ? 1 ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. then 9 becomes 10ಗೆ 0 ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಡಿ. 10ಗೆ 0 ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, 10ಗೆ 0 ಬರೆದೆ. 1ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಎಡಪಕ್ಕದ ಅಂಕೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ದೆನ್ 9 + 1 9 + ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 1 ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 10ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 0. ಹೇಗೆ 1 ಕ್ಯಾರಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಇನ್ನಿನ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ಇದೆಯಾ? ಏನು ಮಾಡಲಿ? 1ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೀರಿ. there are 3 digits to the right of the thousand place. ಏನು ಮಾಡಲಿ? 3 replace them with 3 zeros. Already 2 zeros are written. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 0 ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ನೋ ನೋ ನೋ, ದೋಸ್ zeros are ಅವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದನ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬಂದಂಥ ಝೀರೋಗಳು. ಇವುಗಳ ಬದಲಾಗಿ 3 0 ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. 1 2 3. ಎಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್?
1 lakh.
Yes, you have got 1 lakh. Exactly. And now you are asked to round off this number to the thousand place. 1, 10, 100,000. Yes, if you want to round off this number to the thousand place, what do you have to do? ಏನು ಮಾಡಲಿ?
100.
Look towards the right side place. That is 100 place. Is it less than 5 or greater than 5?
Less than.
If it is less than 5, what I have to do now? 1000 place number? Yes, write the number present in 1000 place. ಏನು ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಗಳ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೀರಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೆದು ಮುಂದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂಕಿ ಇದೆ? 3 digits are there. Replace all those 3 digits by 3 zeros. And the numbers present towards the back side should be written as it is. Yes. What is the answer you have got?
8,26,000.
8,26,000. Yes. You have given a perfect and right answer. Now you are asked to round up this number to 1000 place. Okay. 1, 10, 100,000. This is the 1000 place. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು?
100 plus ಆಗಿರೋ.
Yes, look at the number present towards its right side. That is 100 place. ನೋಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು?
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ.
ಎಷ್ಟಕ್ಕಿಂತ? Yes, look at there. It is less than 5 or greater than 5?
2 ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸಮ.
Yes, if it is equal to 5 or greater than 5, ಎರಡೂ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ. If the number present towards the right side is equal to 5 or greater than 5, then what do you have to do to the 1000 place? ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ಬಿಡ್ಲಾ?
Add
ಎಷ್ಟನ್ನ?
1.
Let add 1 to the 1000 plus. Then 7 will becomes 8. And the numbers present towards the right side, what do you have to do then?
0.
Replace them with zeros. How many digits are there?
3.
3 digits are replaced by 3 zeros. And the number present towards the back side is
3.
written as it is. Yes, you are right. For example, one more number is given like this. Yes, you are asked to round up to 1000 place. 1, 10, 100,000. ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು?
100 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆಯಾ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಇದೆಯಾ?
The number present versus right side, there is 100 place. The number present in 100 place is less than 5 or greater than 5?
Greater than.
If it is greater than 5, 5ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ? 1 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ, then 8 becomes 9. And the numbers present versus right side are replaced by
3 0.
as 3 numbers digits are there, they are replaced by 3 zeros, and the number present versus back side is written as it is. Yes, what is the round of value to the nearest 1000? What is the answer we have got?
29,000.
Yes, you are right, dear children.